The STARGEAR Starlink Ethernet Adapter Gen 3 offers a seamless connection from Starlink systems to standard Ethernet cables, ensuring easy setup without the need for cable modifications. Designed for durability, this adapter features advanced soldering-type RJ45 connectors that are perfect for heavy-duty all-weather use, significantly reducing contact resistance. It provides flexibility by allowing users to extend or repair their Starlink network setup effortlessly, with recommended cable lengths to maintain optimal performance. The waterproof RJ45 coupler provides excellent protection against environmental elements, ensuring reliable network performance both indoors and outdoors. Constructed with high-quality materials, the male-to-female extender supports fast data transmission speeds up to 1,200 megabits per second with minimal signal interference. For users requiring an Ethernet cable extension, it is advised to use high-quality cables and RJ45 ends for a stable connection, particularly in scenarios with unstable power.